We are always committed to caring for life and escorting for health. Make the industry benefit the world and thrive the vigor of life. Ningbo Zemley Pharmaceutical Packaging Company Limited. Since its establishment, it has committed to become a large-scale enterprise, integrating research, development, and production as one in the field of pharmaceutical packaging, with its hard work team and excellent quality. In 1991, Jinshan Bottle Manufacturing Factory was established. In 2001, the factory changed its name to Ningbo Zemley Pharmaceutical Packaging Company Limited. In 2014, Zemley Phase 2 project officially put into operation. A world-class automatic assembly line was introduced. Class 100,000, 10,000, and 1 million dust-free treatment provide reliable guarantee for the safety of the products. In order to ensure the quality of raw materials, we implemented a very rigorous screening test. The operation of the glass tube auto-loader prevents the friction between the glasses and avoids damage and secondary pollution to raw materials. Compared with the traditional countable controller, the effect is more significant. We independently researched and developed the application of MFC flow control machine. From the traditional light inspection to visual imaging detection system, 100% size detection prevents the collision between the glasses. Automatic weight rejection realizes the transformation of the inspection process from artificial to intelligent. Clean air systems and water-lubricated, oil-free screw compressors, etc. provide a guarantee for high-quality products. Molded automatic control machine also solved accuracy error in the traditional process due to transmission wear. The introduction of world-class water purification system realizes sterility. Our standard of Zheng breaks the height of the industry standards. In quality control, through the drug stability, product inspection testing, microbial culture, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, precision weighing, and other special testing, we ensure the quality and safety of the products. Rigorous testing and repeated testing provides a reliable testing basis for qualified products, while consisting improving the quality of products. By keeping the sample, we can strictly ensure the traceability of the product. We focus on every detail in the production process to ensure that the product is defective. There are 25 research and development people in our company, of which include 2 state-level senior engineers who have made great contributions in silicate, bioengineering, pharmaceutical engineering, mechanical automation, and other fields. Our company has been identified by High-Tech Enterprises, Provincial Enterprise Engineering Center, and Municipal Patent Demonstration Enterprises. Forward, perfect, and fast response, and our service have been reviewed favorably by customers. Zemley products spread all over the country in more than 30 provinces, municipalities, and exported to Europe, the United States, the Middle East, and other regions. Our products include 5 major categories with more than 100 kinds of products. They are widely used in medicine, ophthalmology, cosmetics, and other fields. We look forward to working with you to create a future